Okay, looking at the cosine graph and some properties of it, you will notice that there's a lot of overlap between this graph and sine. Actually, pretty much everything is the same. So the maximum value is the highest point, which in this case, I'll use red for that. In this case is 1. The lowest point is -1. So we got 1 here, -1 here. The amplitude, if you recall, is the distance from the middle of the graph, or the sinusoidal axis, to either the topmost point or the lowest most point. It's going to be the same regardless. So in this case, from here to here, it is 1, or from here to here, it is 1, or you can look from here to here, always 1. Let me fill in some of these values. Maximum value, 1, minimum, -1, amplitude is 1. The domain, again, like our sinusoidal or sine function, is all real numbers. I'll do this in set notation. So x belongs to the set of all real numbers. The range, just like sine, is going to be all real numbers between -1 and 1 inclusive. Let me just move this out of the way. Our period, 360 degrees, because it takes one cycle of 360 degrees for it to start repeating itself. And finally, the sinusoidal axis is just y equals 0. That's this guy here. Again, think of it as the line in which the graph reflects. If I were to move that line up here, that's not very symmetrical. Or if I move it down here, again, not very symmetrical. Right in the middle is where it looks nicest. And there are some of your basic properties of the cosine graph.